Hello, and today we are painting marble bases without an airbrush. I know, exciting. So today's approach is really basic. It's rattle can time, shake those cans, oof. And as you can see on screen, we've got a marble kitchen desktop as well to suit the vibe of marble. So you're literally going to need two rattle cans, a black and a grey off-white. That's it. We're keeping it really simple in today's video. So here, you want to use dried out makeup wipes. You can often get a bag for like 99p, a pound. Leave them to dry overnight, put them on the radiator, or just leave them and they will naturally dry out. And then you want to kind of go for this really cheap, awkward Halloween spiderweb effect. And you'll want to put that then on top of your base to get that kind of marble effect. So you're going to prime the model with the black, and then you're going to put this over and do the white primer, and you should hopefully then get the nice basic marble effect. Now if you want to go crazy in the future, you could add some extra colors. You could do black, a blue, and then a white. I'm just working with what I had at the time, but overall I'm quite content. Yes, you could argue just use an airbrush, you'll get a lot more fancier effects, it'll look a lot smoother. Yes, I agree, but if you're like me and don't have an airbrush and you only have your spray cans, then I'm quite content with this effect. And yeah, sometimes just getting a quick easy effect on a base which doesn't require you to hand paint it or have a cool airbrush machine, it's kind of convenient. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. I appreciate it if you've come to check it out. If you like, subscribe, leave a comment. Thank you to people on screen. There's a link in the description. There's some extra blogs, videos for like £1 a month. This is Alex Temps Tabletop. Thank you for watching this how to paint marble base video. I really enjoy making these quick, easy how to paint videos, and I appreciate your support in whatever way that is. Now, you take care. Goodbye.